How to find contacts on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you have logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then click on it. Then click on Settings. In here, scroll down till you find Permissions. Below Permissions, you will find Upload Contacts. Click on Upload Contacts. Turn on Upload Contacts. After you have done that, this kind of screen will pop up. Click on Continue. And you will be able to see all your people from contact. As you can see, it's showing people you may know. You can add them from here. This is how to find contacts on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.